Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. Today we are doing another circular saw review. This time it's going to be the Bosch GKS 190. Absolute bargain, I couldn't resist getting it. It was only £100 from Screwfix. So what we're going to do, we'll pop the box, have a look inside, do a quick specification, do a test run and then final thoughts at the end. Right, let's pop the box and see what we've got inside. Love these sort of boxes because they're nice and sturdy. Absolute brilliant for the van and site work. Never get damaged. So there we go. There she is. So you got your instructions. Don't need. Always read the instructions. And of course it's 240 volt. So it's actually quite light. It doesn't feel too heavy. Feels nice. Trigger feels good. So what we'll do, we'll take a close look, have a look at the specification, then we'll do a demo for you. The Bosch GKS 190 190mm 240 volt professional circular saw is both powerful and versatile. Tool-free blade changing means maintenance is easy and the soft grip handle makes it comfortable even on long jobs. The 16-tooth TCT blade can be angled up to 56 degrees and the fan cooled motor ensures smooth running throughout the saw's lifetime. A dust extraction adapter allows for extra precision with a clear view of the cut. Okay, for some specifications we've got a 1400 watt motor, a max cut of 70mm, comes with a 16-tooth TCT blade included, steel base and aluminium guard, it's got a spindle lock, without riveted knife, lock-on switch, a parallel fence, soft start, but it has no brake. That is kind of the downfall, I do like a brake. A more in-depth specification, bevel angles up to 0 to 56 degrees, blade description, a TCT blade, which is obviously included as we said. The blade diameter is 190mm. The total corded weight is 4.1 kg. The cut in depth capacity is 70mm. The disc bore size is 30mm. Comes with a year's guarantee. And the max cut in depth at 90 degrees is 70mm. It is the GKS 190 and of course there's no load speed of 5,500 RPM. The total product length is 380mm. So after a day of use I have found one little flaw that keeps happening. The Allen key to change the blade, which normally fits in here like so, is pretty loose and it falls out quite a lot. So it's more of an annoyance than anything. What I'm just going to do is just take it out. I don't need it anyway, but I have found that does happen quite a lot. I don't know if I'm catching my fingers on it, but it's loose anyway. So yeah, that is a flaw. But it's a little one. So all in all, after a day's use guys, we've established it's a pretty good piece of kit for £100 anyway. The only downside is the fact that it's 240 volt and of course the Allen key keeps dropping out for me. It does feel a little bit flimsy in certain parts, but again, it's £100. It's a great little entry level circular saw. So I'll drop a link below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video guys.